How to download Snapchat memories. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to talk about how you can download your Snapchat memories. So there are likely two different options, which is downloading from individual memories or downloading all the memories at once, which has been backed up. So in order to download individual memories, go ahead and open your Snapchat app. Swipe up from the camera section to open the memories, or you can go ahead and tap on this media option. This will let you view all your memories. Now from this page, you can tap and hold onto the snap or the story that you want to save. Now tap on the export option that is between favorites and hide. Simply tap on that. Then you will see the option of copy. Go ahead and tap on download, and this will be downloaded in your gallery. Or you can choose export to save it elsewhere. Now if you want to download all memories at once, which has been backed up in your account, you need to go to Snapchat. From this page, you need to simply scroll all the way down and tap on My Data, that is between saved login info and logout. Before you request to download your data, Snapchat will gather your data, including memories, and email you a download link and give you the options to select what you want to download. So I'm just going to go ahead and export then tap on next in the bottom. You can also choose the date range and confirm your email address. Now Snapchat will gather all of the data that you have selected and email you a download link. You can download the zip file from the link and extract it on your computer to access your memories. So individual downloads are saved to your phone's gallery. It may take some time to prepare large data request. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.